Though tiny in size, ants are among Earth's most successful and intelligent creatures. They have inspired science, engineering, and even management systems through their discipline, teamwork, and survival strategies. While ants didn't invent machines, their behavior and organization have led to real world innovations that humans use today. Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. In this video we will look at 20 inventions and ideas inspired by ants. Ant algorithms used in computers to solve complex problems like road planning. Swarm robotics, robots that work in groups copying ant colony behavior. Smart traffic flow systems inspired by how ants avoid traffic jams. Warehouse robots move like ants, fast, efficient, and well coordinated. Self healing materials imitate how ants repair nests quickly and collectively. Rescue missions by drones search patterns based on how ants find food. AI decision making, ant behavior teaches how to make groups decisions. Collective intelligence system used in AI and social science models. Farming techniques. Leaf cutter ants inspired smart farming and waste recycling. Tunnel engineering. Ant tunnels inspired ideas in underground building design. Energy efficient networks modeled after ants' energy saving systems. Military strategy, coordinated attacks and defenses are studied from army ants. Supply chain management based on how ants manage food gathering and storage. Decision making algorithms. Ants voting like behavior helps model human decision making. Resource allocation in AI. Ant inspired methods help distribute work in networks. Modular construction inspired by how ants build and rebuild their colonies. Biomimetic robot legs, flexible, trained, friendly robot legs inspired by ants' movement. Behavioral economic models studying how ants assess risk and reward. Crowd management solutions applied in event spaces and stadiums. Resilient communication systems. Ants redundancy systems guides technology for emergencies. Ants may seem small and simple, but they represent a world of extraordinary complexity. Beneath every ant hill lies a society that rivals some of the most advanced systems humans have created. These creatures show us that intelligence isn't always individual, sometimes it's collective. They teach us that strength doesn't only come from size, but from structure, order, and cooperation. They show that real innovation often lies in nature, waiting patiently to be noticed. From the way we build tunnels to the way robots move, to how cities manage traffic, ants have been quiet teachers in a noisy world. They don't boast, they don't stop, they simply work, adopt, and survive. In a time when we chase artificial intelligence, we forget that nature already built it efficiently, perfectly in a colony of ants. So, the next time you see a single ant carrying a load bigger than itself, remember, you are not just looking at an insect, you are looking at a system, a network, a solution, and possibly the original inventor behind technologies you once thought were purely human. In the tiniest of beings, the greatest ideas are often found.